Greetings everyone, here is Tariro Mawire from Drone Solutions. I'll be telling you more about Drone Solutions. Well, Drone Solutions, we do application of drone technology in different sectors. For example, the mining sector, the agriculture sector, real estate, construction and infrastructure, we do all those services using drones. So I'm going to walk around showing you the kind of drones that we have and where the drones are used. So here we've got Mattress 300 RITK. This drone can be used for different purposes, really, because of the carrying capacity of the sensors it has. You see right here, this is where we install our sensor, right here. So you can use it for surveillance, you can use it for surveying. You can use it for, in the surveying department, there are different kinds of surveys, types of survey. For example, LiDAR survey, magnetic survey, topo survey. You can use this drone for that. You install your H20T sensor, it's used for surveillance here. So the surveillance sector, security surveillance sector, is covered. You can install your P1 sensor, that's for topo mapping. You can install your L1 sensor, that's for LiDAR mapping. And this is the remote controller where you'll be controlling, monitoring your drone as it flies. So you can do autonomous flying or you can do manual flying using this drone. And we go to this drone. Here, it's a bit big. This is called Agras T30. It's for the agriculture sector. Well, Agras T30, it's a bit exciting, if I can say. Right here is a tank. It's a 30-liter tank, and here, that's where you can install the batteries. There is the battery where you can put on the drone. It can cover a big area within a short period of time. Really, you can cover about 1 hectare or so in 8 minutes. Like, what technology does that? It's quite interesting, if I can say. And you can use it for crop inspection and monitoring. Well, it's a pity that we didn't bring the Phantom 4 multispectra. It works hand in hand, where you do crop monitoring, crop mapping using the Phantom 4 multispec, then you integrate it using this drone. More like it works hand in hand. So it can last about 8 minutes in the air. It comes back, you recharge the batteries, you fill in the tank, it goes up. So really, I think in a day we can cover about 60 hectares. Isn't it better? I feel like it's better. Then here we go to the big drone. Drones, they're advancing day by day. You'll be shocked next year, maybe you'll be having a drone that's bigger, going there, even bigger than this one. This drone is called a vertical takeoff and landing drone. Well, what's fascinating about this drone is that it has both multi-rotors. You can see here, it's a multi-rotor, and there's wings. It has both the multi-rotor and the wings. The advantage of using this drone is that it increases the endurance because of the wings. Like this drone, it doesn't last that long in the air because of the rotors, but as compared to this drone, it can last about 3 hours in the air because of the wings. So it's quite an advantage for you to use this drone. It can be used in different sectors. The surveillance, well, people are buying it for security surveillance purposes because you can use this. You can mount your sensor there. It can be a thermal sensor where it can monitor people or whatever. We emit heat, so there's a thermal camera. It detects that heat. So even in the darkness when there's no light whatsoever, this drone can sense that something is walking, be it an animal or a person. And you can also use it for mapping. You can mount different sensors on it, then you use it for mapping. So yeah, we've got so many drones at our offices, but we managed to carry this one. And I can say, come through, guys. It's nice to see technology advancing.
Welcome to Drone Solutions Academy. My name is Olianda Mkombe and I'm also a drone pilot. We are a company that gives drone license, that's Drone Solutions Academy, under CARS. The course takes about 2 weeks. The first week you have 7 modules and you write the main exam. Once you've passed the main exam, then you move to practicals. Practicals, we have our instructors that will train you, and then we have an examiner that will come from CARS. Then you have your license. Your license is valid for 2 years, and then you can renew it again under CARS. It's also good to have a license because you'll be able to do certain activities using your drones. You know, drones is a new technology. Hey, come and have your own drone license. Be free to do any job that you want, be it videography, be it surveying, be it surveillance. Please come to Drone Solutions Academy. We're at number 9 Belfast, Emerald Hill.
Hi guys, my name is Jemon Sibanda, Sales Executive for JPMS. So I'm just going to take you through some of the projects that we do at JPMS. We are an organization that focuses on artificial intelligence systems that improves safety and security within buildings, homes and offices as well. So our main product is home and office automation. As you can see on our X-Frame banner, some of the services that we've got. So the first one, which is office collaboration and boardroom. So we deal with smart boardrooms. The current concept that we have as a paperless boardroom, whereby everything is controlled from a central point of view. And then we also do home automation, where you control your lights, your HVAC, any smart gadget that you have in your house from the palm of your hand. So you can use other devices such as your laptop or even your phone to control and monitor your home for your safety, comfort and security as well. So we also have building management systems or building management solutions that we have at JPMS. This is basically giving a building or a plant brains, whereby you are able to control your aircon, you're able to control your lighting, you're able to monitor as well your usage of electricity and power consumption. You're also able to see how much water you're also using as well within your building or within your plant. So these are solutions that we are offering as JPMS so that we can improve on 3 major issues that is affecting business on daily basis. The first one, which is the power consumption that we've got. We also help in terms of power consumption monitoring and how you can best cut costs when it comes to issues of electricity. We also have a solution for water usage management. We also have a solution for backup power systems for your organization. So in a nutshell, JPMS is there to mainly serve when it comes to safety, security and comfort within buildings, organizations and homes as well. Here also to talk about one of our subsidiary under Jades Holdings, which is called Fuzzy Security. So this one offers high-end security systems that are mainly different, or the main difference between the ordinary systems that we have in the market is the usage of artificial intelligence in surveillance or in CCTVs. So as you can see on the X-Frame banner, some of the products that we've got is artificial intelligence CCTVs. So the major difference from the ordinary CCTVs that we have on the market, these ones are able to alert you, these ones are able to do facial recognition, these ones are able also to give you much metadata that you can also use when it comes to your investigations. We also have access controls for places that you want restricted access, maybe to a certain number of people as well. We also have fire and intruder alarms. These are products that come for your safety as well. Intercoms, HR and time management systems, they also assist on day-to-day business as well. So in a nutshell, Fuzzy Security is an organization that offers integrated security and high-end security systems that can give you comfort when it comes to security challenges. Thank you very much for your time.